Oh my God!
Want to make your video edits look smooth and cinematic? Let me show you how to create a speed ramp using Retime Curve in DaVinci Resolve, all inside the Edit tab. Drag your clip into the timeline. This works best with motion, like walking, panning, or camera movement. Right-click on your clip and select Retime Curve. Hold Alt and click on the speed bar to add a speed point before and after the moment you want to slow down in the curve editor. Click the speed points to activate their handles. Then shape your ramp like an S. This gives a smooth transition from fast to slow and back. It doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure the slope is smooth. That's what creates the cinematic look. If your slow motion looks glitchy, go to the inspector, retime the scaling, and set frame interpolation to optical flow. It adds extra frames for a cleaner result. Now let's make it even smoother. Go to the effects library, search for motion blur and drag it onto your clip. This effect adds a nice natural blur to fast movements, making the speed ramp feel buttery. That's it. No need to go into the color tab. And that's how you create smooth speed ramps with motion blur, right inside the Edit tab. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more fast and fun DaVinci tutorials.